Hello botanists, I'm out here on another social distancing hike, and I hiked extra far today to show you a plant that I knew was out here at Worcester Memorial Park because of iNaturalist. And I knew that it was out here because of the person who's identified the most plants in our project, Peter Boyer, who is a naturalist in the area who took a class at the college a few years ago, plant insect interactions that I took, and I know he's really he does a lot of work on iNaturalist, so I asked him to join the project. So he has a lot of neat identifications. The plant that I'm going to show you today is skunk cabbage, and I want to talk to you a little bit about it. So this is skunk cabbage, which is also the video that you'll see on Teams of the Plants Are Cool 2 videos. So skunk cabbage is one of the very first plants to emerge in the spring, and that's actually because it can even start to flower in the snow. So what you see right now, what is really neat right now, is we're at the time of year that the leaves are starting to come out. So this is skunk cabbage leaves. It's in the arum family, which is a family that has just the neatest inflorescences. And Sally's going to tell us more about this family. Jack in the Pulpit, another spring ephemeral, is in this family as well. And what may not be obvious is these are the leaves, and what actually comes up first is this. This is the flower of skunk cabbage right here. So this is a spathe, and it's a modified leaf that surrounds this internal part right there, the spatic. And this is called skunk cabbage, and many plants in this family are called something smelly, like the famous Titan urnum or the corpse plant, because they stink. And they stink because they're mostly pollinated by beetles and flies, so they can smell like rotting flesh. Earlier, when I first got down here and found this cool little fella, there were some flies buzzing around, but I think I scared most of them away. So what a neat plant to find. And when you're out on your social distancing walks, or once you can get outside, use iNaturalist, and you can see some neat plants and then hike towards them. So skunk cabbage, a neat plant.